Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Len. Today we're going to make a homemade black bean and corn salsa. It's easy, cheap, fresh, and frankly there's no cooking involved. So let's get making this salsa. Okay, so in the description I'll put down the list of ingredients in case you don't get it right away. So what you're going to need is one 15-ounce can of black beans, about 2 cups of corn. I use fresh right off the cob. You can use corn in a can, just make sure it's drained, or you can use frozen, make sure it's thawed. I use 12 Roma tomatoes, chop them up. Got some, a bunch of, diced green onions, just one bunch, diced green onions. Cilantro, you're going to use a half a bunch of cilantro, finely chop that up. Let's see, here we got you can use 1 to 3 jalapenos, depending on how hot you want it. You can leave the seeds in or not. Let's see, we're going to use some salt and pepper. We're going to use a little bit of cumin. We're going to use you're going to use 1 lime. If you don't have lime, you're going to use 2 tablespoons, but since the grocery store didn't have any good limes, I just bought the juice. And some rice vinegar. So let's get to mixing this up. All right, to start, when you chop these tomatoes up, you can just put them in a big bowl because that's what you're mainly going to use to mix this stuff in. And it's really easy. You're just going to start dumping this stuff right in the bowl. So here goes the black beans, corn. We're going to put our onions in there, our cilantro, our jalapenos. Okay, so now you're going to need 1/4 cup of the vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, or just 1 lime juiced. Use 1 teaspoon of cumin. Salt and pepper to taste, so I'm just going to put a couple pinches of salt and pepper, or S&P. Real simple, just mix it up. Make sure you got it really good and mixed up. Black bean corn salsa. Hope you enjoy this homemade salsa. Please like and subscribe if you have not done so. It helps my channel grow. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.